I am doing a comparison on these three microphone kits. I have made videos of each one individually, and I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And they all work perfectly. They're all very good for the amount of money you are paying. They're all XLR microphone kits, so that means you need something called phantom power, which I'm using this baby for. This is the Zoom H6. That is powering them up, and also is doing all the recording on audio. And I've set them all up so they're basically all at the same settings, so there should be no real difference. But one of them is my favourite, and it's my personal choice, and I will explain to you why it's my favourite. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you which one is which. I'm going to quickly go through basically what you get, and basically you get the same for each one, and then I'm going to tell you which one is my favourite. So starting from this one here, this is made by a company called UHURU, and this is the XM900, and again it costs £63. It comes with everything you need: pop filter, shock mount, the arm, the clamp for the desk, and yeah, sound quality, as you've probably been listening to, is pretty good. Yeah, does pick up a little bit of background noise from my computer running over there, but apart from that, it is very good. This one here, this baby over here, this is from TONOR. This is the T20, and again, it is the same basic sort of kit. They all basically have the same sort of arms. If you tap them, you will pick up noise. So they're very hollow, they're very echoey, if you like. So once you set them up, you don't want to keep touching the microphone arm, because it will pick up on the microphone. You don't want that. And the baby on the end is from a company called MAONO, and that is the AUPM 320S. And again, it is very similar in the build quality. Like I said, all three of them are basically very good microphones and very good microphone kits. If you're looking for something to get started with, any one of these three will do a very good job. I am pleased with all three of them, but like I said at the beginning of this video, I have one favourite, and I'm going to explain to you which one it is. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to talk through each one. So I've been talking through this one most of the time, so I'm going to stop talking through this one right now. Move that out of the way. And I'm going to start talking through this little baby here. This is the TONOR one, and again, like I said, they're all roughly the same, but one of them has a better sound output than the other two, in my opinion, and it is a better build quality. But I'm not going to tell you just yet. I want you to have a good listen to see which one you think it might be. So like I said, this is the TONOR, and this is the T20 microphone kit, and it's very nice quality. Like the others, it's nice quality for the amount of money you are paying. It is very good. And again, on the one on the end, let me just move it a little bit. This one is from MAONO, and it's the AUPM 320S. Again, it is a very good microphone, and hopefully you can hear the voice nice and clear. I'm checking the levels. The levels look pretty good to me on the microphone kit. Like I said, hopefully it's nice and clear, and you can't hear no background noise. You can hear my voice nice and clearly. That is the idea behind these microphone kits. So that is all three. And my favourite is this baby here, the TONOR. It's actually the cheapest out of the lot. It's, like I said, about £20 cheaper. Well, at the time I purchased it. It's in a sale at the moment. And this, to me, is the better one. And it's just a quality of build. The microphone has got a fantastic weight to it. It's quite a heavy mic. But it feels like a really good quality mic. Cabling is even better, but it's probably the best cabling I've seen on an XLR microphone kit. I haven't done many microphone kits before. These are the first three I've done. The TONOR was the first one I've done, and yeah, it just feels better. The quality of the cabling, the quality of the feel of the microphone. Even the desk clamp has been redesigned and made to look even better, and it's even got a bit of space underneath for you to hang your headphones on, which I thought was really good. The rest of it is just basic. The arms, the pop filter, everything like that is just basic. But it sounded better to me when I had to listen to it. It was clearer, it was sharper. There was no background noise that I could hear anyway. And yeah, cabling I was amazed at. They've gone out their way just to make the cabling a little bit better than, say, all the rest. And it's 20 quid cheaper. I was amazed. So let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's really nice, and I'm looking forward to using this more than the other two. So like I said, I have 3 kits now. I also have USB microphones as well, but I wanted to do a fair comparison with roughly around about the same price, same sort of kits, which they are, and make sure they're all XLRs. It had to be XLRs. I couldn't really do a comparison with XLR against USB, but that might be another video in the future. So with that, let me know in the comments whether or not you can hear the difference, and whether or not you agree with me that TONOR has made a better microphone kit than the other two. And also let me know in the comments whether or not I should do a comparison between the TONOR and my Blue Yeti, which cost me £100 when I bought it. It's about 120, but when I got it in a sale and I only paid £100 for it, and that was just for the microphone. So let me know whether you want me to do a comparison between that and the TONOR. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.